Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Libra 8th sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Libra, your messages. Two cards, but I'm not. Your first card, okay. Three of Cups. Let's see. Seven of Pentacles. The Tower. For some, this could be third party situation because there is some tower movement is happened between both of you. Yes, for some there is separation. There is no contact between both of you. For some there is less contact. Yeah, Three of Cups, third party situation. One person invests in this connection more than the other person, but due to third party some tower movement is happened for some. For some there are some disagreements between both of you. Still one person hoping for this connection. Three of Cups with Seven of Pentacles, they are waiting for reunion. It could be you or your person. Libra, let's see some more messages. Six of Wands, Queen of Swords, Seven of Swords. Lot of readings got this card again and again. I think in lot of readings something is going between in relationships. Definitely one person in this connection is sneaky. I think your person may be sneaky. Libra, they are manipulative, they are playing mind games with you, they lie to you, something. This could be third party. If they cheated on you, definitely they already cheated on you. Yeah, that's why you cut your person off. You stand by your power, Libra. Yes, you stand by your power. You are concentrating on your career. You want success in other area of life. Life is not about love, there are different areas also. Definitely you are concentrating on your success, career. In some other areas definitely you are concentrating on finances and careers, but your person now want you back. They want reconciliation, they want clarity and some communication. They want to communicate you, but they are very sneaky, manipulative. Hangman, the World, the Devil. Yes, your person, they are obsessed with you, or they may be addicted to some bad habits, Libra. Your person could be Capricorn also. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. This could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities and different countries or different states. Definitely there is some distance involved in this connection. Yeah, one person in this connection is spiritually awakening. It could be you also because you stand by your power after spiritual awakening. Definitely you are concentrating on your career right now, or for some it could be your person spiritually awakening. They are stuck right now. After spiritual awakening, definitely they want reconciliation with you after spiritual awakening. For some it could be you are working on yourself, Libra. So let's see. Ten of Pentacles, the Magician. Wow. Death. Yeah, your person undergoes some transformation. The Hangman with Death. Definitely your person undergoes some transformation. Your person could be Scorpio, but you are in this energy. You are concentrating on career, I already told you, because you want success in career. And Magician, yes, you are in manifesting energy. What you are wishing, definitely it will going to be granted to you. Yeah, definitely finances and career, definitely will get success there in your career. So please concentrate on your career, because your person looking like sneaky. They are in and out your life. They are not committed, they are manipulative. That's why you cut them off, Libra. So let's see your person current energy, their feelings and actions. Your person current feelings, Libra. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Your person current feelings. First card, the Lovers. Suppression, Ten of Wands. Your person could be Gemini. Conscious, Ace of Swords. Yeah, communication. They want to communicate you. They want to express their feelings. They want to give clarity to you this time. They are feeling very burdened. due to any reason, due to the separation, or there may be some issues in other areas of their life. Definitely they are feeling overburdened. And the lovers, definitely there is love between both of you. I think this is physical attraction I am getting. This is physical intimacy for some. Yes, your person, if it is third party situation, if your person is sneaky, definitely it is only for physical intimacy, not that type of love, soulmate or not. If it is not third party situation, definitely your person loves you, you love your person. These are two groups here. Consciousness, definitely Ace of Swords, your person want new beginning with you. Yeah, they are thinking about new beginning with you, to start again with you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Libra. Conditioning, Devil 2 times. Yeah, your person may be dominative in this connection. They are very dominative. Comparison, 5 of Swords. Experiencing, 3 of Wands. Yeah, they are waiting for the right moment, because 3 of Wands is long distance relationship also. They are waiting for the right moment to come towards you, but they are undergoing transformation, and this transformation is very, very tough, because conditioning and comparison, 5 of Swords, disputes, definitely they are thinking about a lot of things that had happened between both of you, because conditioning, comparison, they are comparing you with others, or something is going in your person mind, but they want to talk to you, I am getting, because consciousness, Ace of Swords, at least they want to talk to you, they want to give clarity. But it could be long distance relationship, waiting. I think they are waiting for your approval, or they are waiting for the right moment. 3 of Wands is waiting. But conditioning, definitely your person may be very, very dominative in this connection. The Devil energy, this is not good energy. Your person could be Capricorn, 2 times Devil. Comparison, yeah, there are some disputes between both of you. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed in the near future. First card, connection card, 4 of Pentacles. The Moon, yeah, I already told you. There are some disturbances. Ace of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, I think in past your person may be not expressing their feelings to you. I think it could be you. I am getting, Libra, you are holding back your coin, and you are holding back your feelings this time, because there are a lot of secrets. Still there are lot of secrets. Your person may be hidden something from you. The Moon, Spices, your person could be Spices. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Now your person realized your worth, and they want reconciliation, and in connection cards, they want to come towards you with this stable offer, but it is very, very slow energy. If you are willing to wait for your person, definitely they will come, but it is very slow energy. I think if a person is sneaky and it is third party, I'm getting you are not giving any chance to your person, those who are in third party, because you are holding your feelings back, because you are feeling still your person something, you feeling that your person hiding something from you. But they are coming back with offer. It's up to you to give another chance to your person or not, depending upon your situation. So let's see your overall energy, Libra, for the week. Wow, Ace of Cups, Page of Swords, the Sun. Wow. For some, if it is third party situation, some children are involved. Definitely communication. Yes, you both will communicate. Even if you are in separation, some communication is going to be happen. I think you are doing self-love. This is Ace of Cups, means self-love. For some, it is new love is entering in your life. I am doing, you stand by your power, you are concentrating on your career. Definitely you loving yourself. I am getting, yeah, Libra, it is very positive week for you, because at end of the day it is positive ending, definitely. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Transformation, yes, 2 transformation cards, Hangman and Death. Still here, Death, 2 time Death cards. Definitely your person is spiritually awakening, and they are undergoing some transformation. It is major transformation going in their life. Moment 2 of Pentacles and the Rebel, yeah, Emperor. They after night they will become the Emperor. And I think if your person sneaky in past, definitely they will change, because after the transformation they know your worth and they changed. Yes, they will come to you as an emperor, not a page, not a knight. Definitely they will becoming like an emperor. So emperor is very honest. If they really changed, if they not really changed, it's up to you, because the transformation is going in your person's life. Momentum of him, definitely Two of Pentacles juggling will be ended, definitely. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Lord of Earth energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So all signs are here, but a lot of earth energy is here, and fire energy, air energy also. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. You will get my all video notifications. Bye.